What if one security camera could replace 3 full wide-angle coverage, intelligent subject tracking, and 4K detail all in the same unit? That's exactly what we're going to find out today with the new OMVI 3i PoE from Reolink. Let's get into it. Reolink did provide me this unit for review, but this is not a paid review, and I will tell you exactly what I think. I currently have 2 cameras. This fixed camera so I can have 24-hour surveillance, and this blink camera above my door to alert me to motion and let me know who's at the door. But this one camera does both of those things with no subscription or cloud storage required, and it covers more area than those 2 cameras combined. Well, that's if it wasn't dead. You see, that's another thing. The blink camera is battery powered, and it just died about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't replaced it yet. That's why I went with the PoE version. That's power over Ethernet, so there's one cable that delivers power and video for the most stable and reliable connection possible. But the PoE version is not ready to go out of the box, so there are a couple of things you'll need to make sure that you have. You will need some additional Ethernet cable. It comes with a 1 meter cable, but you'll need to run cable from outside to inside, either your Wi-Fi router or your existing NVR system. Additionally, power over Ethernet requires a PoE injector to provide power through the line to the camera. So I had to pick up one of those as well. And this is simply a device that you can use the 1 meter cable to plug into one side, the other end goes to your router, and then this other output here goes to the camera outside. And for that, we needed additional Ethernet cable. And how long of a cable will depend on your distance from the camera outside to your Wi-Fi router inside. I went with 50 foot. I also went with a flat cable. This will allow me the ability to run the cable through a window or through the door frame without actually having to drill holes into my house. I'll put links in the description for this cable that I'm using along with the PoE injector. In addition to that, if you want to keep your video stored locally and privately, you do have the option to push the video footage to an FTP or NVR. However, I'm going to use the SD card that plugs directly in to the back of the unit right here next to the reset button. Now the Reolink OMVI 3i supports up to a 512 gigabyte card. So I went ahead and bought a 512 gigabyte card because I want the ability to be able to record 24/7. Another thing to note too, when it comes to SD cards with any type of camera, don't go for the cheap off-brand ones or the cheaper name brand ones, because the read-write speeds when you're using 4K video on these cameras really does matter. So you really need to go with a higher-end SD card. I got the ImageMate Pro here, the 512 gigabyte. I'll leave a link in the description to the equivalent as well. However, if you prefer, there is a Wi-Fi version of this camera you can plug into an AC outlet and then connect via your Wi-Fi home router. I preferred the PoE version because I wanted a stable, direct connection that I don't ever have to worry about going down or signal loss. But hey, that's me. Most security cameras make you choose between wide coverage and tracking detail. You either see everything at low resolution or you zoom in and lose the big picture. The OMVI 3i is built around solving exactly that problem. At its core, this is a dual system camera in a single housing. On top, a 10 megapixel dual lens panoramic camera, and below it, a fully motorized 4K pan and tilt camera. They work together as one unified system, and once you see it in action, it's hard to go back to anything simpler. Out of the box, the build quality is immediately noticeable. This is a solid, substantial camera weighing in at 2.8 pounds with an IP66 weather-resistant rating for year-round outdoor use. It feels like something built to stay on your wall for years, not a camera you'll be swapping out every season. The upper panoramic camera captures a full 180 degrees horizontally and 65 degrees vertically at 10 megapixels. It also has a manual downward tilt adjustment that goes from 0 to 20 degrees, so you can angle it toward your yard rather than the open sky. The pan speed is configurable between 8 and 90 degrees per second, so it can sweep slowly or snap instantly onto a target. One thing I'd like to point out here too, at first I thought there was a delayed response in the panning, but it turns out you really need to run the calibration first if you're experiencing that. Once I ran the calibration, now it pans very responsibly. You can adjust the speed here. I'll crank it up to 50. As you can see, it moves really fast. I like it down around about 30. So make sure you calibrate. You can also add preset points, which I'm going to make this one right here, preset 1, so I can return the camera back to this position. I'm going to go ahead and confirm. And that way, if you are patrolling and moving your camera around and you want to get it back to that exact position, you can just hit one of your presets here and it'll take you right back. With a 6mm lens compared to the Panoramic's 2.8mm, the PT camera is optimized for zoom-in clarity. Reading a license plate or identifying a face at distance is exactly what it's built for. The sync track system works like this. The upper panoramic camera acts as the detection layer, identifying people, vehicles, and animals across that full 180-degree view. The moment it spots a target, it hands off to the lower PT camera, which locks on and follows, even if the subject moves beyond the panoramic frame. Auto framing keeps the tracked subject centered in the PT view, so you're not just getting a notification, you're getting a continuously framed, high-resolution video of exactly what's happening. Beyond manual control, you can save up to 64 preset positions and configure automatic patrol routes using up to 4 of those presets. One tap also triggers a full 360-degree patrol sweep if you just want the camera to scan the whole area on command. All AI processing on the OMVI 3i runs locally on the device. There is no cloud dependency and no subscription required to access these features. On the panoramic camera specifically, you can set up line crossing alerts, zone intrusion alerts, and zone loitering alerts for precise perimeter protection. You define exactly where the virtual boundaries are, and the camera handles the rest. One of the more impressive AI features is the Reolink-powered video search. Type in a description like "gray truck," and the system scans your recordings, pulling up matching clips in seconds. All of that processing happens directly on the device, so your footage stays private and completely local. This is genuinely one of those features that changes how useful a security camera actually is. Instead of scrubbing through hours of footage, you just describe what you're looking for. Once you've used it, manually hunting through a timeline feels like going backwards. For night vision, there are 2 distinct modes, depending on how you want to operate after dark. Color night vision uses 8 built-in white LEDs at 7 watts and 6000K. Full color footage with clear facial features, clothing colors, and vehicle details. Those spotlights can be scheduled to turn on at specific times, manually activated from the app, or triggered automatically when the camera detects motion. You're in full control of when and how the lighting behaves, scheduled, reactive, or always on based on what makes sense for your property. That flexibility matters because your needs at 10 p.m. are different from your needs at 3 a.m. If you'd rather keep things discreet, infrared night vision gives you up to 30 meters of coverage with no visible glow. The camera auto switches via our cut filter and operates silently. This is the mode to use if you don't want a potential intruder to know they're being watched. When you do want the camera to make its presence known, the spotlight and built-in siren can trigger automatically on detection, designed to startle and warn off a threat before it escalates. You can fully customize when and how those deterrence responses activate, including scheduling them to only run during certain hours. Storage is one of the areas where the no subscription approach really shines. You can use the micro SD card up to 512 gigabytes like I showed earlier, which is what I'm going to do. You can also use a Reolink OMVI for 24/7 multi-camera recording or push footage to an FTP server or NAS. If you have a dedicated PC where you can keep the app running at all times, you can actually save the video directly to this file path here. but that PC with the app would need to be running at all times, and you would need to have ample storage space for the video. And of course, they do have an optional Reolink cloud backup available in select regions if you want an off-site safety net for footage in case of theft or damage. It uses H.265 video compression so that it reduces storage requirements by roughly 50% compared to the H.264, while keeping the same image quality. So that 512 gigabyte card goes a lot further than you'd expect. And of course, the camera is also compatible with third-party NVR systems if you have an existing setup. The Reolink mobile app is clean and covers everything you need: live dual stream views, customizable alert settings, and remote access from anywhere. Two-way radio works well for calling out to someone at the door, giving delivery instructions, or warning off an unwanted visitor.
Hello? Is anybody out there? Hello? Is that you, DoorDash?
The installation options include ceiling, wall, and corner mounting. The hardware in the box covers all three, and the single cable POV setup means you're not routing multiple wires. If you have a large yard, a long driveway, or a commercial space that's been difficult to cover with a single camera, this is built specifically for that problem. The hardware is solid, the AI features work in practice, and the local first approach to storage and processing respects both your privacy and your budget. Shout out again to Reolink for sending this over for review. Links are in the description, and there's a QR code on screen you can scan to go straight to the product page. Use my discount code RAY8 and get 8% off any product on their website, and it's valid through the end of the year. If you found this review helpful, do me a favor and like and subscribe. Subscribing to the channel goes a long way and helps me keep making content just like this. Drop any questions you have in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching, and until next time.